This is the best sight ever! I just my pants!
I love you, you love me.
Oh my fucking god, fucking dinosaurs, holy shit! What the fuck?
Oh, hell no, I'm out of here.
Shut up!
Ah!
Stop right there! I knew all along that you were the killer! It's kids like you that make this world a terrible place!